Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So guess what? Got some new stuff. Shocking, I know. Some Troy Lee design stuff. So this is kind of cool. I believe Bell makes this. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. The box says Troy Lee Designs, this, you know, and I got it. I'll leave a website in there. But I thought that was kind of a cool helmet. This is more of a motocross helmet. Open, put the goggles on. That tells you kind of one of the other things that I'm leaning towards that'll be in the stable soon, along with my new Tuareg. Obviously, I got the two GSs. I got the Tuareg, but something else is coming. So again, pretty cool, lightweight, more airflow, obviously, when you're doing certain things that we're going to be doing. And but a Troy Lee design. I thought it was a pretty cool helmet. I like the red, white, and blue, obviously. Maybe not the hat, but you know, my bikes are red, white, and blue. There's a common theme usually with my stuff. Tech 7s. There they are. And that, again, Troy Lee design, red, white, and blue. They got a little bit of black on the toe here, but looking forward to having these out here. But so part of this thing was, are the Tech 7s the best boots that you can find, especially riding heavy off-road enduro? Now, I know there's going to be, everybody's got their opinion. This is like a tires thing, right? I mean, literally, this is like a tires thing. Tech 7s, Tech 10s, Alpinestars, CD, Crossfire 3s, Garnet, 12, 22s. What else is out there? I mean, like literally, there's a bunch. Liet's got theirs. Forma has a riding boot, which is actually what the Forma one I had just didn't fit my foot. It wasn't wide enough, but the Formas were pretty nice. But I had to send them back. But yeah, so you've got all kinds of boots all over here. But what I'm going to say is my Tech 7s, and I've got, this is my Alpinestars. I've got like 7 pairs of them. But on my Tech, so I have Tech 7s. I have a couple of pairs of the regular Tech 7s, and I have a pair of the Dry Stars, which are great. Don't get me wrong, the waterproof is nice. But everybody knows when you're riding heavy off-road, you get into water, that boot turns into a bucket, right? So, but at the end of the day, these have been fantastic. So my Tech 7s have been great. Love every minute of having them. So what's your go-to on off-road boots? Again, I've never tried a pair of CDs. Now, I have tried them on before. Again, they're narrow, and I have a wide foot. And the Alpinestars seem to be the only ones that kind of fit my foot. I've never tried a pair of Garnets on, which you know, look like another fantastic boot. The Formas didn't fit because they were narrow. And again, when you start talking these motocross, heavy-duty off-road boots, you know, these are, you know, that hard plastic, you know, not stretchable, you know, any leather on here. So you get your foot in there and it's kind of, you know, it's locked down in these things. So to me, I've got to have it a little bit wider, and these Alpinestars seem to fit me obviously the best because I never had a complaint with any of them. But let me know your thoughts on the boots. I love them. I think, again, these Tech 7s, Alpinestars, are fantastic. Put that up there. Woo! So, but again, these are Troy Lee designs. And what's been kind of nice is I think Alpinestars planning on coming out with some new boots, obviously, because for the last year, you've been able to find Tech 7s all over the board on the internet, anywhere from 210, 225 up to 3 something, and normally they're in the 4s. I even found the Dry Stars like $75 off or so. I think it was $100 off. I bought the Tech 7 Dry Stars. Tech 10s, those are super nice. They've got the extra ankle support inside of them. Again, these are boots that I haven't necessarily tried because, as you well know, boots are expensive. I don't, you know, I've got plenty of them, but I just, you know, can't get them all here. And so let me know your thoughts on boots. I love the Tech 7s. I think they're fantastic for, you know, doing crazy stuff, being off-road, doing all the silly things that we off-roaders do, especially when, you know, riding the either big bikes, small bikes, whatever. But I love the Tech 7. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I always love to have these discussions. Again, it's kind of like talking about tires. What's the best tire for off-road, or whatever the best tire is on-road? So like to stir the pot a little bit with this one. So let me know on the boots. This is mostly for, again, when you're riding heavy off-road. Now, adventure boots are completely different. That's, you know, a combination of touring, some light, you know, some gravel roads or whatever. But if you're really doing off-road and you need something sturdy, are these the best, these Tech 7? So let me know your thoughts. Talk to you guys later. Bye.